Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, inshallah, we will learn dua before eating or drinking. So, when you start to eat or drink, first of all, you wash your hand. And then, after that, before eating or drinking, you have to read Bismillâhi. You can also read Bismillâhi wabarakatillãh. So, but read both is better. Bismillâhi, Bismillâhi wabarakatillãh. Bismillâhi, Bismillâhi wabarakatillãh. So, Bismillâhi, with the name of Allah, the most kind, the most merciful. Bismillâhi wabarakatillãh, with the name of Allah, and blessings of Allah upon that one which we are eating or drinking. So then Allah's barakah, Allah's blessings, Allah's special kindness and good things will come in that eating or drinking. That will make our life more better. It will produce good manners, good behavior, good character, and good movement, because all the movement of the body is the outcome of our eating and drinking. So this way, if eating and drinking is halal and pure, then you have to start with Bismillahir. Then inshallah those will produce good manners, good akhlaq possible. Because when we read Bismillahir, so because Bismillah is the name of Allah and Rahman and Rahim is the names of Allah, merciful and kind, so the person becomes kind and merciful also. Because all the things that produce the anger or some hardness in the person, those are removed. Those are away from the person, because we read Bismillahir, the Allah's name, that Allah is the most kind, the most merciful. This way the person who is eating or drinking, that will have these qualities in his manners, the kindness and merciful also. So hatred, anger and hardness, that is finished. So this way the person becomes more good and merciful, and this way we have to start every time with Bismillahir. When we say Bismillah wala barakatillah, the things which we are eating, that becomes more. It means in quantity and also in quality. Allah remove all types of illness, because mostly the illness comes from the food, because some food has been grown on the area where Allah's azab was there, Allah's punishment was there. Like the Holy Prophet ﷺ, when they were going to the Ghazwa Tabuk, the Battle of Tabuk, when he was going there, on the way there were some places where the Qawm Ad, those were under the torment of Allah. So some of the Sahaba, they took water from the well of those places, and the Prophet ﷺ said that you have to leave this water, throw it away, and also you have to break up those utensils and pots on which you took the water. So they have done it like that. So this way, because he said the places which were under the torment of Allah, under the punishment of Allah, they are still under the punishment of Allah. Because this way we are eating food, we don't know where it has been grown. So if it has been grown on the places where Allah's punishment came at any time from Adam alayhi salam till now, and any time of any messenger, so this way when we read Bismillahir, then the effect of those will go away, so removed, and those become good for us. Otherwise, if we are eating some food which has been grown on the places where it was Allah's torment, Allah's punishment, so at any time in the life before, so those type of food will produce illness in the body, and some type of illness for which there is no treatment in the world. So that is problem also start. So this way we have to read Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim every time. So when we eat or drink, so that is very good also for us, and it produces good manners, good qualities, and better akhlaq, and makes the person more kind, merciful, and nice hardness, and all types of bad things, anger, and those removed are also. So this way that is very good for us to read Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim before eating or drinking. So that is a good thing. If we, for example, if we forget to read Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, then when we remember, it comes in mind, then we have to read Bismillahi awwaluhu wa akhiruhu. If we read that one, then it is also good. Because when we are not reading Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, then the shaitan also eat with us. Because Prophet ﷺ said, everyone has one shaitan. So I have also, and my shaitan became Muslim. But our shaitan is shaitan, because that is not Muslim. So this way, that attack us. But when we are not reading Bismillah Rahman Rahim, that shaitan also eat with us. So when we eat and he eat with us, then he become more strong. And then his attack is too much. Then we will go into the bad character, bad things happen with us. So this way, if we are eating with Bismillah Rahman Rahim, drinking with Bismillah Rahman Rahim, then shaitan will not able to eat. So then shaitan will be weak and not powerful. Then will not be able to do something. So every time we try, even if you forget to read Bismillah Rahman Rahim, and when you remember you have to read Bismillah awwaluhu wa akhiruhu, when you read this one, automatically the shaitan, if something has been eaten by him, so that will be thrown away by vomiting. So he will leave out. So shaitan will be weak and will not be able to attack upon you, because that will be weak. So you are strong, then you are strong, and then you will do the good things. Good manners will be powerful. So but if you are not reading Bismillah Rahman Rahim, then you are other bad manners possible. So this way bad habits, bad activities, and sometimes illness possible. So this way we have to try to read Bismillah Rahman Rahim every time when we eat or drink, inshallah. So our food will make us more power, more energy, more good ikhlaq, and more good qualities will be produced in us, and we will be kind, merciful to others also, and nice behavior, very good akhlaq with other people. So inshallah that will be the outcome of reading Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim before eating or drinking. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.